Let's freaking go. Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. We got all the free. Oh, I almost went down. We got, let's go, the three-wheeler. We got a little hot block out here, vibing, dude. Bro, so yeah, the lot today is, it's busy, bro. I just got here. Oh boy. We're freaking out here. Let's go. Oh, we're pulling through. What do you want to tell the people? Let them know.
Hey, Gucci boy, hey.
Gucci boy out here on his quad. We up. Let's see a little work. Just a little bit for the camera. We got Gucci boy out here. I think the Gucci, what do you say his name is? Something Gucci. Oh my god, oh boy. Oh boy. His air pressure is way off, it looks like. Your air pressure's off. That's why it's pulling. Woo! Yeah, put in that work, yes sir. My boy put in that work on that VIP sorter. Oh boy, yeah. Oh! Look out, everyone out here, yes sir. Woo! Oh my gosh. Well out here, dude. He's on a VIP scooter. Freaking gangster, dude. He just did no hands on a VIP scooter. Who does that, bro? Bro, the no hands? That's wild on that. Because you had no brake. No brake, you're just balanced.
What up, boy?
Let's go! What's good? It looks good, right?
That means look better.
Way better, bro.
I couldn't breathe, Michael. I don't got a truck. I just pull up.
Damn. Oh, I thought they had the quads on top of the car. Yeah, I thought the quads were on top of the fit at first. Cause I seen it from far away, and I just seen the wheels sticking above, and then I seen the trailer. What's good, dude? Hey, much love, bro. For real. Were you just rolling on the back? Yeah. Let's go. Hey, do it again. Do it again. He's just rolling on the back. You gotta do no hands. That's funny. Yes, sir. Bro, he got his tube, his like overflow gas tube just sticking way out. That's that real two-stroke right there. That might be the thumbnail right there. Not the GoPro. Not the GoPro. I don't think you got any on the lens, so nice. I think you're good. We got Banshee up here. Oh boy, Banshee it up. Let's go. Oh my god, anybody, dude. Let's see some work. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Pick that. There it is. Woo! That thing hitting right there, bro. You hear that? Let's go. We got Gucci boy.
Hey, Caleb.
Who's that?
My little sister, man.
Oh.
She like you, man.
She be watching the channel?
Hey, y'all watching that video, man.
Let's go.
Got the quad, man.
Hell yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you for watching. Bro, I got the aftermath, bro. Look at all the freaking smoke. Look at the dude, that's so sick. Coming through the smoke, bro, with all the freaking bikes. Hey! Coming for you. Hey, I'm coming for you. You don't like street tires?
I love them for swerving and stuff, but for keeping it straight and Superman and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah.
I seen earlier when you jump on Superman, the road takes you straight to the left.
Yeah. No, that's.
Honestly, ride them, you just swerve up on them, and then go to back to dirt tires and get right on the dirt tires.
Ah. You got, bro, all them fucking road ride, bro. Crazy. Bro, look at me doing donuts. Boys out here hitting some donuts. We got Tater, everyone out here. Crazy, crazy. Ah! You getting comfy on that YZ125, boy. Hey.
I think I'm in love.
Bro, you're getting so crazy on that thing, dude. No more 4-stroke for you?
Nah, I'm definitely getting another one. Bro.
Yeah. It's both, having both, the 2-stroke and 4-stroke best. Yeah. There it is. There it is. Woo! I don't want to scrape, I'm gonna scrape. Well, I don't want to, but I'm gonna do it. Oh, me on the little scooter. Can you wheelie that or no? Bro, you're going so fast, bro. He's like. What you got, bro?
Different one now. This one is much harder.
This is a different 150?
Yeah, it's not the same.
It's harder?
Yeah.
Why? Oh, the tire is more like, yeah. You gotta wear the tire in.
I missed my 250.
Bro, I bet. That man was going low, bro. That man was low. Bro, that went right over the head. I was like, I was trying to duck in the wheelie, bro. Woo! Hop into the seat. Oh, bro, I didn't even tell y'all. I put new grips on. I had like the ODI grips, and bro, I got Renthal and like the OEM Yamaha grip, and it's making the biggest difference, bro. Just like being able to grip. Like, I had ODI ones on it because when I bought the bike, because I bought it used. And bro, they were so thick. It felt like I couldn't even close my hand. Like, that's why I always like these skinny Renthals, OEM. Like, there's nothing better than that. Hey, cushions in on that. Woo, on that 2-stroke. Alrighty, gang. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Dope little lot sesh with all the boys. Remember, stay motivated. We have merch in the description down below. We'll be still doing some donuts over there. And yeah, I love you guys. Until next time. Peace.